List the capitals of African countries. Are you ready, Thomas?
I'm ready.
Okay, then let's begin. Algeria,
Algeria,
Angola,
Luanda,
Benin,
Porto Novo,
Botswana,
Gaborone,
Burkina Faso,
Ouagadougou,
Burundi,
Kitagabujumbura,
Cameroon,
Yaoundé,
Cape Verde,
Praia,
Central African Republic,
Bangui,
Chad,
Jamaica,
Comore Islands,
Moroni,
Congo,
Brazzaville,
Democratic Republic of the Congo,
Kinshasa,
Djibouti,
Djibouti,
Egypt,
Cairo,
Equatorial Guinea,
Malabo,
Eritrea,
Asmara,
Ethiopia,
Addis Ababa,
Gabon,
Libreville,
Gambia,
Banjul,
Ghana,
Accra,
Guinea,
Conakry,
Guinea-Bissau,
Bissau,
Kenya,
Nairobi,
Lesotho,
Maseru,
Liberia,
Monrovia,
Libya,
Tripoli,
Madagascar,
Antananarivo,
Malawi,
Lilongwe,
Mali,
Bamako,
Mauritania,
Nouakchott,
Morocco,
Rabat,
Mozambique,
Maputo,
Namibia,
Windhoek,
Niger,
Niamey,
Nigeria,
Abuja,
Rwanda,
Kigali,
Saint Thomas and Principe,
Saint Tomé,
Senegal,
Dakar,
Sierra Leone,
Freetown,
Somali,
Mogadishu,
South African Republic,
Cape Town,
Sudani,
Khartoum,
South Sudani,
Juba,
Eswatini,
Babane,
Tanzania,
Dodoma,
Togo,
Lome,
Tunis,
Tunis,
Uganda,
Kampala,
Zambia,
Lusaka,
Zimbabwe,
Harrow,
Seychelles Islands,
Victoria,
Mauritius.
Port Louis.
Okay. Now special territories and their capitals. Are you ready, Thomas?
I'm ready.
Okay, then let's begin. Niue,
Alouf,
Gibraltar,
Gibraltar,
American Samoa,
Pago Pago,
Cookie Islands,
Avarua,
Bermuda Islands,
Hamilton,
Falkland Islands,
Port Ten,
Greenland,
Nuki,
Faroe Islands,
Torshau,
French Guiana,
Cayenne,
Tokelau,
Atapu,
Aruba,
Oranjestad,
Guam,
Hagotna,
Scotland,
Ndibun,
Wales,
Cardiff,
Kosovo,
Pristina,
Pitcairn Islands,
Adamstown,
Northern Mariana Islands,
Saipan,
Christmas Islands,
Flying Fish,
New Caledonia,
Numea,
Coco Islands,
Vantiami,
French Polynesia,
Papete,
Wallis and Futuna,
Matautu,
Norfolk Islands,
Kingstown,
Cayman Islands,
Georgetown,